Most people think getting an oil change appointment is confusing, slow, or requires endless phone calls. That usually leads them to wait until the last minute, which makes the whole process more stressful. Here's the truth no one tells you. Booking a Walmart oil change appointment in 2026 is actually simple, but only if you know the exact steps. Quick promise. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to schedule a Walmart oil change appointment, what options you have, how long it takes, and the mistakes that cause delays or cancellations. Let's start with the basics. Walmart Auto Care Centers provide oil change services at many locations across the United States. These services are designed to be quick, affordable, and convenient while you shop. Now, here's where it gets interesting. You don't always need a traditional appointment like a mechanic shop. Some Walmart locations use walk-ins, while others recommend or require booking ahead depending on demand. So step 1 is checking availability. Go to the Walmart website or app and search for your nearest auto care center. Not every location offers oil changes, so this step is important before anything else. Step 2 is selecting your service. You will typically see options like standard oil change, high mileage oil change, or synthetic oil change. Choosing the right one depends on your vehicle's manufacturer recommendation. But here's the problem most people face. They show up without knowing what type of oil their car needs, which slows everything down and can cause confusion at the service desk. Step 3 is booking your appointment. If your location supports online scheduling, you will choose a time slot, enter your vehicle details, and confirm your booking. If online booking is not available, you can still call the Auto Care Center directly or visit in person. Now here's a helpful tip. Mid-morning or weekday appointments are usually faster. Weekends tend to be the busiest, and wait times can increase significantly. Step 4 is arriving for your appointment. When you get there, check in at the Auto Care desk. Provide your vehicle information and confirm the selected service. The technician will give you an estimated completion time. Let's look at a simple example. Imagine Jake books a 10 a.m. appointment for a synthetic oil change. He drops off his car, shops for groceries inside Walmart, and gets a notification when his car is ready. Step 5 is pickup and payment. Once the service is complete, you'll review the work, pay if needed, and receive your vehicle. Many locations also offer basic inspections like tire pressure checks or fluid top-offs during the service. Now here's an important detail most people miss. Always check your vehicle manual before choosing oil type. Using the wrong oil grade can affect engine performance over time. Also remember, not all Walmart locations offer the same services or scheduling system. Always confirm before driving in. So to wrap it up, getting a Walmart oil change appointment is a 5-step process. Check availability. Choose your oil type, book your slot, arrive and check in, and complete the service. If this helped you understand it clearly, like the video, comment your questions, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides like this.